Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Think Orbit. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic that is related to finance operating system, order to cash cycle. So what exactly is this order to cash cycle? So and we'll understand step by step. First, order management, second credit management, third is order fulfillment, and the fourth is order shipment. The fifth is invoice, customer invoice, and the sixth one is account payable and the payment collection, the seventh one, and the last is data management and reporting. So this is the whole O2C cycle for the B2B operation. Let's talk about the SMEs. Even though existing SaaS or ERP, still SMEs facing a lot of challenges, burden. Why this is happening? Three things that I have noticed. First, a lot of manual human intervention. The second one is cash flow visibility. There is zero cash flow visibility in SME sector. The third is technology integration gaps. So these are the three reasons why SMEs are lagging behind, why they are not getting good output or results. Even they are spending monies, still they are not getting right outcomes. So this is the three things that I believe is the main problem in SME sector. It's a universal problem. So if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe this channel. So in future we will more talk about in this topic in detail. And also, if you have any question, drop your comment in comment section box. I'll answer each and every question. Thank you once again and have a good day.